Hi, this is Art Workentine with RISC. I'm going to demonstrate today our new cmi5 runtime engine. I've got on the screen a course that has two assignable units, or lessons in VTA terms, and I go ahead and click Run to open the first lesson. This is our cmi5 AU Simulator. It does all the things that an AU needs to do in order to be cmi5 compliant. It's available on GitHub for free. Another thing that we should notice is that unlike SCORM, we got no other windows open when we launched this AU simulator. So assignable units can be opened in the same window as the LMS, getting rid of that pesky multi-window scenario that SCORM always has. And the first thing I need to do is fetch the authorization token. This is got to be put in the header of all statements sent under cmi5. It's part of the specification. So now that I've got that, I can go ahead and get the state API, which contains important information for me as the assignable unit. I need to know what the mastery score is. I need to know the pass is final, means that I can only send one pass statement. I have to send both completed and passed in order to get credit for this AU. And then finally, I've got a return URL, which tells me how to get back to the LMS once I'm done. So the first thing I'll do is send the initialize statement, which an AU should do once it is up and running and ready to go. Then I'll send a passed statement. Now the mastery score is 0.9, so I can't do this and send a passed statement. The LRS should reject it, and it does. If I do that, it's invalid according to specifications. So I'll go ahead and correct that, send a 0.9, and send my pass statement. Next, I'll send my completed statement. I don't particularly need a score on this since I've already sent a score. Send the statement, and finally I'll send my terminated statement. So now I'm complete in the AU, and I can return back to the LMS combination. And you can see I've got completion credit for that assignable unit, and I can move on and take the second AU. Also over here, if we look in the refresh the page statement viewer, I can see my launched, my initialized, passed, completed, and terminated. Also, you'll see occasionally abandoned statements in the LRS. That means that the session didn't terminate properly, and the LMS, when I launch another session, is going to write that abandoned statement for me automatically. That's it. If you are developing for cmi5 and you'd like to use our AU simulator, again, it's available on GitHub for free. Feel free to download it and take a look at the cmi5 statements it generates. Thanks very much for watching.